Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام ولتصغى إليه أفئدة الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وليرضوه وليقترفوا ما هم مقترفون. Translation: and that the hearts of those who do not believe in life of hereafter might incline toward it, and let them take pleasure in it, and let them persist in their evils or sinful ways what they are inclined to commit. This ayah is connected to the previous ayah where we studied that the jinn and the humans which are from the devils, they try to deceive people. They try to deceive people by inspiring and instigating each other with false alluring speech, which is mentioned in the previous ayah as qawle ghurura. And here in this ayah, the wow is atifa or connecting wow, where it is walitasgha. So this connection is from the previous ayah, that these people are putting these thoughts, they are inspiring and instigating each other with these false alluring. Why? Because they want to change the hearts of those people who do not believe in life hereafter, and these devils want them to get these people who don't believe in the life of hereafter in their own group, in the group of the devils, so that they become members of these groups and they try to deceive other similar people who do not believe in the life of hereafter. And they are doing it just to increase their group and just to increase their community. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this system, as mentioned before, that these devils are given permission to work against the straight path, and they are given permission by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to deceive other people, and only those will be deceived who do not believe in their hearts, who are arrogant, who are loving this life more than hereafter. So these devils from the jinn kind and mankind keep deceiving these people by putting these thoughts in their hearts, so that those people who do not believe in the hereafter, they come towards them and they like these things and they continue to do the bad deeds that they were doing before and also become a part of their group. This is an important topic to understand, and if we ponder on it, we will feel that the company of the man is so important. It's so important that if a man is among people who are just involved in the world and who are away from the truth, away from the religion, and away from Allah, these people will try to move the people around them away from Allah, involve them more in the world, and help them to forget the life of hereafter. While those people who have the company of the righteous people, of the true Muslims and Mu'mins, they will try to bring other people around them in that group of righteous people as well. It is just like if someone is sitting by the ice, they will feel the coldness of the ice in their body. And if somebody is sitting around the fire, they will feel the heat of the fire. So a good company will give the human beings the vibes of goodness, and the evil company give the human beings the vibes of the evil. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and connect us to the truthful people. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.